Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the English Beat. I'm your host, Ben, and today I have something special for you. It's a simple 10-minute daily routine that can change your English speaking forever. Yes, just 10 minutes a day. If you follow this every day, your English will get smoother. Your words will come out easily, and you will feel strong and sure when you talk. I know it sounds easy, but it is not just easy. It is strong and real. This is the way many people learn to speak English well. They go from, I know English, but I can't say it, to, I speak English like it's natural. So if you are ready, let's start. First, let's talk about why 10 minutes can make a big change in your English. Many people think learning English needs long hours with big books and hard rules, but that is not true. Your brain likes small, everyday touches with English, not big, one-time study. Even 10 minutes each day is better than one long class each week. Why? Because your brain stays active in English. It links words faster, it holds onto sentences easily, and it grows your speaking power step by step. 10 minutes seems small, but in 1 month, that is 300 minutes. That is 5 hours of good practice. In 3 months, it is 900 minutes, 15 hours of building your skills. Now, think about what this routine wants to do. Many learners just want to know English. They study rules, learn words, and take tests. But to speak well, you need to use English, not just know it. This 10-minute plan helps make English feel like a friend. It makes speaking happen without thinking too much. You stop changing words from your language to English in your head. You start thinking right in English. The best thing? You do not need a school or a teacher, no costly books or apps. You can do this at home, while walking, in your car, or before bed, anywhere you have 10 minutes. Here is how to do it. I will split the 10 minutes into 5 easy steps. You can do them all or pick some, but do something every day. That is the key step 1. Listen for 2 minutes. Find something easy in English. A short story, a song, or a talk on YouTube. You can use episodes from the English Beat Pick, something you understand most of. About 80%. Do not stress if some words are new. Just listen. Pay attention to how words sound together, the up and down in the voice, and the speed. This helps your ears get used to real English. It gets your brain ready to speak. Tip from Ben. Listen to the same thing for a few days. Say, 1 week. Doing it again and again makes you remember better than always new things. Step 2. Repeat out loud for 2 minutes. Now say what you heard. Pick a few words or sentences. Say them like the speaker. Copy the sound, the fast or slow, the feeling. It may feel funny at first, talking to yourself, but speaking is like exercise for your mouth, like running or dancing. The more you do it, the better you get. Do not think about being perfect. Mistakes are okay. They help you learn. Tip: stand in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth move. It makes you see and fix how you say words. Step 3. Make it yours for 2 minutes. Take the words you heard and change them to fit your life. For example, if the talk said, I like coffee in the morning, you can say, I like tea in the evening, or I like walking my dog in the park. This turns learning into something real. It connects English to you. When you do this, you remember more because it is about your world. Tip: think of your job or hobby. If you are a student, say, I study math after school. If you work, say, I meet friends after work. make it personal. Step 4. Talk free for 2 minutes. Now, speak without help. No reading or copying, just talk. Say about your day. Today I woke up at 7, I ate breakfast, then I went to work. Or describe what you see. I see a blue sky. There are trees outside. Or plan tomorrow. Tomorrow I will call my friend, we will talk about movies. Keep going for 2 minutes. Do not stop. At first, you may pause a lot. That is fine. The goal is to keep the flow, not to be fast. Over time, your brain will think and speak together better. Tip: use a timer on your phone. If you get stuck, say simple things like colors or numbers. It keeps you going. Step 5. Think back for 2 minutes. At the end, stop and think. What was easy? What was hard? Which words did I say well? Did I make a mistake? You do not need to write it. Just think. This helps your brain sort the new things. It makes you ready for next time. Tip: say one good thing you did. Like, I said that sentence fast today. It keeps you happy and wanting more. You might ask, Ben, can 10 minutes really make me speak English well? Yes, it can. Here is why. First, doing it again builds trust in yourself. Small repeats make things automatic. Second, every day helps your memory. Your brain likes regular touch more than big jumps. Third, speaking free trains your mind to work fast. Even 2 minutes helps you think in English. Fourth, making it yours keeps it in your head. When English is about your life, you do not forget. And fifth, thinking back makes you grow. You see what to fix and get better each day. But wait, let's add more. Science says this works. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity. That means it can change and learn new paths. Small daily practice makes new paths for English, like a river making a way through rock over time, not all at once, but steady. Also, think of famous people. Many athletes train short, but every day. They win because of habit, not one big try. You can do the same for English. Now, to make it even better, let's talk about how to fit this into your busy day. If you wake up early, do it with coffee. If you take a bus to work, listen and repeat quietly. At lunch, talk free about your food. Before sleep, think back on your day in English. Make it a habit like brushing teeth. Soon it will feel normal. Here are some stories from real learners on the English beat. One friend, Maria from Spain, did this for 1 month. She said, "At first I was shy, but now I talk to my English friends without fear." Another, Tom from Japan, shared, "My job needs English calls. This routine made me confident. No more long pauses." You can be like them. Start small, grow big, but be careful of mistakes many make. Mistake 1, missing days. Life gets busy, but if you skip, you lose speed. Fix, do even 5 minutes if short on time. Better than 0. Mistake 2, trying to be perfect. If you wait for no errors, you will not speak. Fix, enjoy the try. Progress comes from doing. Mistake 3, making it boring. If it feels like work, you stop. Fix, pick fun topics. Talk about your favorite food, movie, or dream trip. Make it joy. Mistake 4, not changing levels. If it is too easy, you do not grow. Fix, after 2 weeks, pick harder audio. Add new words slowly. Mistake 5, forgetting to track. Without seeing change, you quit. Fix, once a week, record yourself speaking. Listen back. See how you improve. So, my friends on the English beat, this is your secret. Not a fancy tool or hard class, just 10 minutes. Listen, repeat, make it yours, talk free, think back, do it 1 week, you feel it, 1 month, others see it, 6 months. Your English is strong and natural. Remember, English is not a test. It is a tool for your life, for friends, work, travel, dreams. Thank you for joining me, Ben, on the English Beat. Keep beating that English drum every day. Until next time, practice with heart, believe in you. Bye for now.